Welcome everyone to another exciting video where we take a deep dive into the stunning 2025 Chevy 3100 Vintage, a truck that merges classic nostalgia with modern engineering. This masterpiece is a tribute to Chevrolet's golden era, bringing back the charm of the iconic 3100 series, but with state-of-the-art technology and performance upgrades. The 2025 Chevy 3100 Vintage captures the essence of the original 1950s design with its curvaceous body, old-school grille, and round headlights, but it's not just about looks. This truck is built with modern materials, offering a lightweight yet sturdy frame, ensuring a smooth and powerful ride. Whether you are a classic truck enthusiast or someone who loves a mix of retro and contemporary, this machine is going to turn heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, this beauty comes packed with a powerful V8 engine that delivers an exhilarating performance. The engine has been finely tuned to provide both power and efficiency, making it perfect for long drives and everyday use. The smooth acceleration and responsive throttle make driving this truck an absolute pleasure. And for those who love customization, there are multiple tuning options available, giving owners the flexibility to modify the power output as per their preference. Step inside the cabin, and you'll be greeted by a perfect blend of vintage aesthetics and modern comfort. The dashboard pays homage to the classic 3100 layout, but now features a digital cluster infotainment system and premium materials that make the interior feel luxurious. The leather seats with contrast stitching add to the premium feel, while the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable driving experience. The touch-sensitive controls and voice command features make sure that the driver has everything they need. Fingertips without losing the classic appeal. The technology in this truck is no joke, equipped with the latest infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, and high-quality surround sound speakers. This truck makes sure you are always entertained, whether you're on a road trip or just cruise through town. The experience inside is just as amazing as the outside. Adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and automatic emergency braking make this classic-inspired truck one of the safest in its segment. What really makes the 2025 Chevy 3100 Vintage stand out is its unmatched versatility. Whether you want to use it for work, leisure, or simply as a collector's gem, this truck is ready for anything. The cargo bed retains the classic wood paneling, but with a modern protective finish, ensuring durability and long-lasting appeal. The attention to detail on every inch of this truck is truly breathtaking, with chrome accents giving it that extra touch of elegance. Driving this truck is not just about getting from one place to another. It's about reliving an era of craftsmanship, passion, and mechanical excellence. The roaring engine, the smooth handling, and the well-balanced suspension make every drive feel special. It doesn't matter whether you are an old-school Chevy fan or someone new to classic trucks, the 3100 Vintage will make you fall in love with driving all over again. Chevrolet has truly done something remarkable by bringing back this legend and giving it a modern twist. It's not just a truck, it's a statement. It speaks to those who appreciate history but refuse to compromise on performance and innovation. The blend of nostalgia and cutting-edge technology makes this vehicle a one-of-a-kind masterpiece that stands out in today's automotive world. If you love classic trucks with a modern touch, the 2025 Chevy 3100 Vintage is a dream come true. The attention to detail, the superior craftsmanship, and the sheer presence of this truck make it a must-have for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Every drive in this beauty is an experience, reminding you of the golden days while embracing the advancements of the future. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Chevy 3100 Vintage, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment below, and let us know your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more incredible automotive content. See you in the next one.